Let me just check if I'm live. I'm live and I should be live. Yep. Okay, back to the journey. One sec. In the last video, I was trying to fetch the health kit data for the sample app that I'm building. This is just a sample project. I won't be using it. Won't be using it as my final submission, but just to get everything collated into one project so that I can start building the final project, which I will be shipping for Shipathon. Okay, for today, I just want to give Claude the heavy work so that I can focus on the design aspect of the app. Is some of all the active energy burned the past week starting day. While Claude is figuring that out, let me open up my Figma, get back to the design. See what this came up with. Fetch weekly active energy sum. Is it using the HK query predicate for samples? That's good. And the HK statistics fetching. And it's printing out the energy. Got it. I think this should be good. Let me copy the function. Instead of using this, I will use this. Let's save the result and print this out. And quickly connect my phone. See if I am getting any results. Cannot convert NS predicate to expected argument sample predicate. Argument for kilocalories. Extra argument type. What is the type that we're using? You have this type. It's Figma bouncing. Update on the next launch. So currently I've decided this is the theme that I'm gonna go with. If I could create a UI, something like this, that should be awesome. But yeah, probably not for the first version of the app. So let's see. Okay, did it change the query? Let's use it. Find out. Okay, that should be good. Try run the app. Okay, so it gave me the active energy burned in the past week. Let me see if I can open up iPhone mirroring and check the fitness app to actually verify that data. Maybe I should check the health app. Activity, past 7 days. Today I want to look at past 7 days. It says 560 calories per day. Times 7. It's 91 calories per day for this month. Wait, how do I fetch all the data for this? Okay, let me just use the calculator. So we have 292. Two, 40, 559, 1259, 97, 3859. So this is giving me somewhere around 8,000. Let me see what's going on here. Let's get roles available. We are fetching the active energy burned, requesting access, calendar now by adding day value minus 7. Oh, it's calculating from -7. So it's calculating a whole week regardless of the day. For a year, go. See if Claude can change that. That should be better. Okay, start of the week, negative, days to subtract, weekday. Okay, so it's fetching the current weekday and let's calculate how many days to go back to reach Monday. We have plus 5 modulo 7. Let's just check the result for this. Hmm. It's giving me some priority aversion, but I can fix that later. Okay, so active calories burned for Monday is 2800. Yeah, I think this calculation was accurate. My code, create a label on the view controller, show the fault weekly some value. Okay, let's set up the anchor constraints. Why is it writing another function? Fetch and update weekly sum. Oh, put this in the loop. Okay, so it's using this function inside of another function. Which is kind of unnecessary, but okay. See how it looks. My AirPods just died. Hasn't run yet. Let me try to run it again. Why is it not working? Yeah, the device is attached. Oh, wait. Attach the device. Okay, that works. Now I just want to go back to the Figma file. And this is the UI I want to go with. Believe I had also, yeah. This is my inspiration for the other tab, which is challenges. And these are the top 100 peaks. Let's check out the data from Mount Mansfield. Check out Mansfield. Tell me much distance, average calories are finding this. Okay, so average calories burned are 113 calories. So I can probably use this as a challenge. It's not that big. It's a 9 kilometer round trip. That's good enough for me. So let me see if I can copy everything and ask Claude to give me a proper list in the ascending order of how many calories it will take to climb each of the mountains. This list. The are the mountains and list it out order in a ascending order. You please show list. Oh, my bad. This is the list. Yeah, looks quite messy. Oh, is it giving me like a proper CSV format? It's actually pretty cool. Note that some mountains appear multiple times in the original list. Oh, okay, that's good. The bit of this list. So let me download this file. Hopefully it should be a CSV. Where is it? It's an MD file. This file CSV. So if I can get the CSV, I can probably use it to directly export it to my backend and start fetching it from there. So it's starting out with Mount Warning, which is in Australia. Like, let me read through how accurate the data that Claude has given us. An 8.8K return, which takes 5 to 6 hours. It's a grade 5. I think it's probably a good idea for me to add how much effort a certain climb would take in the app, or just a basic representation of it. and I want to see Mount Warning on Apple Maps, see how it looks. Not bad. So my current idea is to integrate uh, Apple's map kit to basically visualize the mountains. But eventually what I want to do is show like a 3D image of that particular mountain and graphically represent climbing it. For example, let me just search for Mount Everest. For example, this is a very good design. If I can directly get this uh, universal scene descriptor USD file for this and show it in the iOS app, and the users can basically play around with it, zoom it, turn it around. I can probably draw up some climbable trails onto this map, and that could show the progress over time of the fitness challenge. That would be great, but the challenge that I'll face with that is I'll have to create the 3D assets for each of the mountain tracks that I want to use. My current list is about 100, so that might not be possible to complete by September to submit it for Shipathon. This user has added a lot of these mountains, which is really cool. Valley of Domes, Mount Fuji volcano. Mount Fuji would be pretty cool. Let's see if Claude has created the USB file. I can directly download it. Hmm. See, why is it a CSV.txt? It will just be a CSV file. If I directly paste this and create a CSV file. Actually, let me be right back in a minute or so, then I can continue working on this. Okay, I'm back from the short break. So using Apple Maps is one good option, but I want to see if I can create something which is a bit more customized. I'm going to create a new section in Figma. Let's call this actually want to put up a tweet that I'm live. So probably go back. This resource is actually quite interesting, but I think I need to find something which is a bit more scalable. Let's start off with point one in itself and see if ChatGPT can help us any better. Create a full morning story. The image. It's actually pretty cool. So it's good. And pretty full of red elements with UI code. That should be pretty cool if I can do that. Okay, so in my project, let me create a new file. What's this? Add a preview this. Okay, let's go preview provider. Let's see if my Xcode can visualize this. Xcode. It's already starting to freeze a bit. Yeah, probably don't need content view and app for this. Now, I'm on export anytime now. So essentially, what I want to create is a database for all the mountains. It's estimated ground distance and estimated calories burned, which I can then use for challenges in my app. Once Xcode is done processing this, that is. Oh, Xcode. Why is this taking so much time? Code goes into this. Let's see. Yeah, let me see if I can import this data into a pages file. Oh, sorry, it's not called. I want to use the numbers app, not the pages app. Back to Xcode, any progress? Okay, none yet. You try to build it. It's not such a heavy processing. I don't know why my preview is it's not working. Okay, number that in the document. That didn't help. Oh, yeah, I think that's pretty cool. But it has a total of what's that? Get rid of it. Table size. Select the full table. Then paste it. Yeah, I think that was much better. Oh, I think these three rows showing the same data. Basically. Get rid of those. Okay, so we have the list of active calories burned. Weight mount warning is 800. So, no, I think it was 8800. Yeah, it's probably 800 one way. Okay, I think we can probably adjust the data to make it more curated for the challenges later. But it's good to see that I can basically build my entire backend only using Claude's data. So that's pretty cool. Come on, simulator. Should I probably create a new project? Swift UI. Documents, that's good enough. Should hopefully work now. Mm, so let me paste that file here. Okay, we have this. And the content view, I can add this view. So come on, give me the preview. Actually, I don't want to do preview. Let me just run it on the iPhone directly. So let me see if my phone is connected. It's connected now. Should be connected. And let me see if SwiftUI helped. Actually, I don't see anything right now. Not sure. Oh, it did create something. But I'm not sure if this is the most accurate. Let me try to open iPhone mirroring to visualize that. Try again. Okay. Yep. This is what ChatGPT has given me to draw the silhouette of this mountain. Back to ChatGPT. This is basically what we were going with. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, this will probably not work. Can you try again? Add more details like that. Make it more accurate. This creating the silhouette of the mountain shouldn't be that tough. But the problem is I'll have to do it for every single peak. And that might add up. Let's see. Okay, copy code. Copy it again. We don't need this. We don't need this. Valid declaration. Yeah, we don't need these two. What crashed? Oh, I think it's probably the canvas that crashed. That's fine. Just directly run it on the iPhone. Okay, this is also, yeah, I don't need this. this. And I don't want the canvas to be wasting my CPU. Let me directly run it on the iPhone. Possibly works on the iPhone mirroring. Wait, not this. Yeah. Wait, did I copy it in the wrong file? Wrong project? Yeah, not bad. Okay, Xcode. And my Xcode is frozen. Copy this thing. And we just paste it here. Try to run it. It's a quick project, shouldn't be that tough. Check the iPhone mirroring. Not this. Yeah, this project. Let me check the iPhone mirroring. See how it looks now. Try again. Fuck. Hmm. Somehow created something worse. Yeah, I don't think this will work. But now I'm back to my Figma. I do want, if I can screenshot my face, iPhone mirroring. I'm not sure. Let me just get a screen grab. I want something like this on the home page, something which is a bit more accurate. So see my page. Plus this would display the was burned this week or this day. That's all I want to show for the health data. Other than that, should show some progress this week, slash day. It would give you more details about the challenge, details about the mountain. Essentially, what I also want is the mountains by completing challenges. So it give you the details about the mountains, such as its trek distance essentially, and elevation, or trek distance elevation. What else can I get? estimated calories burned, your progress in percentage, days left till challenge completion. Okay, this would be one tab, and I want to create another tab which would basically have this design. Paste it here. Want to call this challenges page tab. Essentially, what this is giving you is a collection of all the challenges represented by mountains. In the collection view, it could also have effort rating, depending on the calories burned. It probably show it in ascending order. You can probably create sections. Day challenge and on longer challenges. Day challenge, as the name suggests, this would be if challenges to be completed within 24 hours, and its active burn rate would be about, let's say, 800 kilocals to 1500, maybe 2000 kilocals. Someone feeling really competitive. For longer challenge, wanna build something which basically goes on for a week or two, effectively having an active burn rate of how much calories can you burn in a week. I'm going with 2000, that would be 14,000. That's a bit much. Say 10,000 kilocals to 20,000 kilocals. Because I think 18,000 is what I have for the maximum one. Yeah. So if these are rated in the ascending order, the maximum that I have is about 18,000 kilocalories. That's 8,000 kilocalories, which are reserved for Everest. Another thing that I'm thinking is for longer challenges, users can pick their own duration. 1 week or 2 weeks. Let's see. How long does it take to complete Mount Everest summit? The total expedition is about 60 to 65 days, 2 months. Trek to base camp, 8 to 10 days. This is the acclimation, then the summit push. So this is camp to summit. Got it. How much distance and average kilocalories burned? In 42,000 calories. So this could be like another category. One could be Everest base camp. One could be trek to the base camp, and the other could be base camp to the summit. And name the same data for trek to base camp. Total distance is about 130 kilometers. Duration is about 12 to 14 days. Whoa. Okay, so this is round trip Everest till the Everest base camp. But if I can go through, trekking with a backpack at an altitude can burn 400 to 600 calories per hour, and you're doing an average of 6 to 7 hour trekking per day. So 32,000 calories in a single day. 68,000 kilocalories total for a 13-day trek. It's quite a lot to add to a challenge. Let's actually see for at least the Mount Everest and the top 3 or 4 challenges, I can probably include the 3D files that I want to create and maybe do something else for the shorter challenges, which are the daily challenges. Oh, and also, let's say that each new challenge will be brought to you, the current one. So yeah, I think I'm really into this mountain theme. Hopefully, a lot of people would also like it. I think that only depends on how good the design and the implementation I can do. But yeah, I think I leave it at a good enough space for today. Probably do another live stream later today or tomorrow and actually start setting up the back end. And even for that, I want to decide if I want to go with either Firebase or Superbase to set up the backend. But yeah, I think for today, this is looking good enough. And I want to aim to ship this app, like the first test flight version of this, by the next weekend, say. So before the end of August, I want to build out a basic MVP. But yeah, I think this design will look really good. If I can come up with all of these assets for all the mountains and challenges, or what I can do is for the initial MVP, I can probably start with about 10 to 15 challenges that people can take up in the test flight version, then probably build on top of it for the first 2 weeks of September. But so far, I think I'm happy with the progress, even though I should be building it and shipping it a lot quicker. But this is where I'm at. Try to push this over this week and the next weekend. Let's see how it goes. All right. I'm gonna end the stream for today. Hope to see you tomorrow.